In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the starting scene looks like. I have a curve and a scaled cube. That's how the cube was created, and I have used a curve point for the curve. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. After pressing the 3D button, I typed E to extrude. In edit mode, type A to select all, V to set the handle type, and A to smooth it. Let's add a plane and use two modifiers that are array and curve. Let's subdivide the plane a bit. Please select the cube and Shift-select the plane. I pressed Ctrl-P to parent, and I'll use the instancing feature on the vertices of the plane mesh. Ctrl-A to make instances real, and type M to create a new collection for them. Let's select all the meshes and press Ctrl-J to join them. We need to press Ctrl-A to reset all transforms before applying the twist. I'll show you what would happen if we don't reset all transforms before adding the modifier. Let's try again. This is the shape I was looking for. I'll add a metallic material. I'll also add some point lights. Let's create a sphere and use it as the background mesh. This is without the composition, and this is with the composite nodes. I see some objects in the center of the image. I'll leave them for now, but if you like, please remove them in edit mode. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.